Hello everyone, this is a step-by-step guide on how to open the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G mobile phone. First, need proper tools to open the device, which are listed in the description. Next, turn off the phone and begin the back cover removal process. To separate the back cover, gently heat the edges until the adhesive softens. We are using a heating pad for this process. Place the back cover side on the heating pad. Select the mobile phone heating option and leave it until the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to loosen the adhesive. Once heating is complete, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the frame and the back cover. To make the process easier, use the suction cup near the bottom edge of the cover. Next, insert a plastic upright tool or similar tool to cut through the adhesive around the edges. This process may take some time, and be gentle with the internal components. Next, gently separate the back cover from the phone's body. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, ensure the SIM tray is out. Next, disconnect the fingerprint connector plug. Next, undo the 15 screws in the mid frame. Next, insert a plastic upright tool to make an opening and start separating the mid frame. Work gently around the edges to release the plastic clips and lift the mid frame from the body. This process will take time. Next, disconnect the battery connector.